This is the Harper Bright full over full bunk bed that can also be used separately as two full beds. It's the espresso finish made out of solid wood, and it has this ladder, these slats for each, like kind of the bottom bed, and then the guardrails along the top with the same sort of design. Underneath the bed, it has two drawers for storage. We just installed this, so we haven't filled them yet. They slide easily. They're not attached or anything. They just slide freely, so you can actually just like pull them all the way out. But nice for extra storage for stuff that's not as frequently used. You don't need any box springs or anything. You just put the mattresses right on top of the wooden slats. Assembly took probably about half a day or maybe 6 hours.